Magnets and Mazes, written by Young Learners Curriculum. Max was a magnet, shiny and red. He dreamed of mazes while lying in bed. He zipped and zoomed with a zip, zap, zing, but wanted a maze with a twist and a swing. He asked his friend, a mouse named Tinker, who loved to build and was quite a thinker. Let's make a maze that spins and bends and help a clip find its way to the end. They grabbed a clip and gave it a name, Clippy the Brave, a clip with no shame. Max said, I'll pull Clippy with care. We'll dodge the traps and whirl through air. Tinker drew paths, twisty and tight, with sticker walls and tunnels of light. Max held strong and gave a cheer. This is the best maze of the year. But soon the maze began to shake. Oh no! Cried Tinker. A sticker snake! The clip got stuck inside a loop, then slipped and fell into a paper soup. Max pulled hard, his force was strong. I've got you, Clippy, hang on! They swung past glue and glitter too. Tinker shouted, we made it through. Next came lava made of red string. It danced and bounced like a stretchy spring. Tinker squeaked, we can't get burned. Max said, I'll pull when the paper's turned. They crawled beneath a straw-made bridge and climbed a tower of foam stick ridge. Tinker gave Clippy a gentle push. Then Max pulled fast with a mighty whoosh. A giant twist stood near the goal. It looked like a purple toilet roll. Tinker laughed and rolled with glee. This maze is wild. It's perfect for me. Max went slow and took a turn. Clippy wobbled but did not burn. Then all at once they reached the star. The finish line wasn't that far. They cheered and danced with paper hats. Tinker spun in silly zigzag zigzags. Max winked and said, let's race again. Clippy nodded with a metal grin. From that day on, they played with flair, making mazes everywhere. So grab your clip and magnet wand. Adventure awaits just beyond.